Corporate giants are quietly reshaping the digital landscape, while startups explode with unprecedented growth rates.
Worried that AI could take your job? Well, those concerns might be justified. Amazon is warning its employees that the company will have a smaller workforce in the future.
CrowdStrike just declared war on the dangerous gap between security teams and IT departments. Amazon unleashed an AI agent that could eliminate thousands of human jobs. YouTube delivered the video creation tools that'll make professional editors obsolete overnight. And a 99x growth AI startup that could replace Google is quietly building the infrastructure that controls how AI agents access the entire internet. We've got everything from code analysis systems catching bugs that human reviewers miss, to AI startups experiencing mind-blowing growth spurts that traditional companies can only dream of. This is the episode for anyone wondering which AI tools deserve your immediate attention, questioning what's actually revolutionary versus pure marketing hype, and maybe looking for the next breakthrough that could power your empire. Welcome back to ToolVerse, and let's expose what's really happening behind these corporate PR campaigns. CrowdStrike's dangerous game, breaking down IT silos with Falcon's risk-based revolution. CrowdStrike just dropped a nuclear bomb on the cybersecurity industry with Falcon for IT risk-based patching. And this isn't just another incremental security update. This is CrowdStrike's aggressive declaration that the traditional way organizations handle vulnerabilities is fundamentally broken and dangerously ineffective. The brutal reality they're addressing? Adversaries exploit known vulnerabilities within minutes. Yet most organizations are crippled by silos between security and IT teams that create deadly delays and leave massive gaps wide open for attackers. CrowdStrike's Falcon platform eliminates these silos with AI-powered patch prioritization using their XPRT.AI scoring system, which doesn't just identify vulnerabilities, it predicts which ones real-world attackers are most likely to exploit. What's genuinely revolutionary here is the patch safety scores and sensor intelligence that give teams confidence to patch critical systems without causing business downtime. The platform uses a single agent, single console approach that replaces the fragmented mess of tools across security and IT, enabling unified workflows that accelerate collaboration while slashing complexity and costs. They're also launching Threat AI, which deploys automated agents for faster threat intelligence and malware classification, essentially turning cybersecurity into an autonomous battlefield where AI fights AI. The timing couldn't be more strategic. With cyber threats evolving faster than traditional security can handle, CrowdStrike is positioning itself as the company that doesn't just detect threats, it eliminates them before human teams even know they exist. Amazon's job-killing AI agent, Seller Assistant's controversial upgrade. Amazon just unleashed an always-on AI agent that could fundamentally change how millions of third-party sellers operate their businesses, and the implications are both exciting and terrifying. This isn't just an upgrade to their existing Seller Assistant, it's a complete transformation into an autonomous business management system that works around the clock without human oversight. The controversial part? This agentic AI can now monitor inventory levels, analyze demand patterns, optimize shipments, identify slow-moving products before they incur storage fees, and even suggest price markdowns, all without human intervention. It's essentially replacing the need for inventory managers, pricing specialists, and business analysts. Amazon is literally automating away jobs while calling it innovation. What makes this particularly aggressive is how the system can automatically ensure all of a seller's products meet compliance requirements across every country they're selling in, handle account health monitoring, and develop comprehensive business expansion strategies. The AI agent can flag potential violations of product safety regulations and even resolve account-related issues that could result in expensive suspensions, tasks that previously required human expertise and judgment. Amazon's strategic move here is clear. They're creating dependency. Over 13 million third-party sellers have already used their generative AI listing tools, which can generate approximately 70% of the content needed for product listings. Now they're offering what CEO Andy Jassy admits will reduce their workforce, an AI system that makes selling in Amazon's store more efficient, strategic, and successful, while systematically eliminating human job. The most controversial aspect? It's currently free, which means Amazon is subsidizing the automation of human roles to lock sellers into their ecosystem before introducing pricing that could make this essential tool expensive to maintain. YouTube's creator economy. Disruption, AI tools that make professionals obsolete. YouTube just launched the most aggressive assault on traditional video creation with AI tools that could make professional editors, scriptwriters, and production teams obsolete overnight. At their Made on YouTube event, they unveiled AI features that don't just assist creators, they fundamentally replace entire creative workflows. The game-changing announcement? AI-powered Edit with AI that transforms raw camera roll footage into polished shorts with transitions, voiceovers, background music, and effects automatically generated. But here's the controversial part. The AI-generated voiceovers will be available in both English and Hindi, potentially eliminating the need for voice actors and multilingual content creators. YouTube's integration of Google DeepMind's VO3 Fast model into Shorts allows users to generate video backgrounds or entire clips with audio using nothing but text prompts, completely free. They're also launching speech-to-song features that convert spoken dialogue into musical soundtracks, and AI tools that can animate still images, apply artistic styles like pop art or origami, and add characters or props through simple text descriptions. The platform's new Ask Studio AI chatbot provides personalized strategic insights based on individual creator profiles, channel performance, and YouTube's algorithm mechanics. This means the AI knows not just what works generally, but what specifically works for each creator's audience. Knowledge that previously took years of experience to develop? What's particularly disruptive is YouTube's expansion of auto-dubbing with improved lip-syncing and expressive actions to match dubbed audio, plus thumbnail and title A/B testing for up to 3 variations per video. They're essentially automating the entire creative decision-making process that separates successful creators from everyone else. The controversial reality? YouTube has paid out over $100 billion to creators since 2021. But these AI tools could dramatically reduce the human labor required to create content, potentially concentrating earnings among fewer creators while eliminating opportunities for traditional video professionals. Macroscope, the code analysis revolution that's making senior engineers nervous. Former Twitter head of product Kayvon Beykpour just launched Macroscope. And this AI system is causing serious disruption in the developer world by essentially making senior engineering expertise accessible to anyone. This isn't just another code review tool, it's a comprehensive AI system that understands entire code bases better than most human developers. Macroscope uses advanced code-walking technology that traverses the abstract syntax tree AST of your entire codebase, constructing a complete graph that understands even the most complex multi-repository environments. The controversial part? Internal benchmark testing showed Macroscope catches 5% more bugs than competing tools, while generating 75% fewer comments. Meaning, it's not just more accurate than humans, it's also less noisy. What's genuinely disruptive is how Macroscope enables non-technical executives to ask natural language questions about complex technical topics. CEOs can now ask, "What did we accomplish this week?" and get detailed technical summaries without distracting expensive engineers. Product managers can get real-time summaries of product updates, productivity insights, and development activity analysis. Knowledge that previously required years of technical experience. The platform integrates with GitHub, Slack, Linear, and Jira to provide comprehensive visibility into engineering organizations. It can identify bugs in pull requests that other tools miss, generate coherent technical summaries, and answer complex questions about code research, essentially replacing much of what senior engineers do in code reviews and technical communication. The controversial implication: Beykpour is positioning this as solving the visibility imperative in software development, but what he's actually creating is a system that could make many traditional engineering management roles redundant. When AI can provide better technical insights faster than human experts, the value proposition of expensive senior talent becomes questionable. Tavily, the 99x growth phenomenon that's rewriting AI search. While everyone focuses on ChatGPT and Google, Tavily has been quietly building the infrastructure that could make traditional search obsolete. And their growth numbers are absolutely insane. This AI startup just raised $25 million and is experiencing a mind-blowing 99x growth rate in search volume, the kind of viral expansion that creates market monopolies overnight. Tavily has reached over 1 million monthly downloads with zero marketing spend, serving Fortune 500 companies and fast-growing tech firms like Cohere and Grow. But here's what makes them dangerous. They're not building another search engine. They're building the search layer that powers AI agents, which means they could control how AI systems access information across the entire internet. Their platform enables AI agents to navigate live web data through a single search layer, solving the critical problem that most AI systems face: accessing real-time, accurate information instead of relying on outdated training data. Tavily extracts information in real time and feeds it into AI agents with tools that provide high-quality, prioritized results, essentially becoming the nervous system of the AI ecosystem. The controversial part? They're positioning themselves as the Google of AI agents, while major corporations are already using them for fraud prevention at financial institutions, logistics optimization for shipping providers, and academic research at leading institutions. Legal tech companies rely on Tavily for real-time legal intelligence, sports broadcasters use it for dynamic live updates, and Fortune 500 companies automate global workflows through their platform. What's genuinely concerning for traditional tech companies is Tavily's architecture that becomes smarter and faster the more it is utilized, creating network effects that could make them impossible to compete with once they reach critical mass. They're not just growing fast, they're building infrastructure that becomes more valuable with every AI agent that uses it. Behind the corporate PR, what this really means? These launches represent something much bigger than incremental AI improvements. CrowdStrike is eliminating human decision-making in cybersecurity. Amazon is systematically automating away human jobs while calling it seller empowerment. YouTube is democratizing content creation while potentially destroying traditional creative careers. Macroscope is making senior technical expertise accessible to non-technical executives. Tavily is building the infrastructure that could control how AI systems access information. What strikes me most is the accelerating displacement of human expertise. These aren't tools that assist humans. They're systems designed to replace human judgment, creativity, and specialized knowledge. The controversial truth? We're witnessing the early stages of widespread automation across industries that previously seemed safe from AI disruption. The question isn't whether these tools are impressive. It's whether the jobs they're replacing will be replaced by something better, or if we're creating a future where human expertise becomes increasingly irrelevant. The future's already here. It's more automated than ever, and it's moving faster than most people realize. Ready to stay ahead of the curve? Hit subscribe and join us as we uncover the next AI breakthrough before anyone else. Welcome back to XAI ToolVerse, and let's expose what's really happening behind these corporate PR campaigns.